Hi, I'm Scott Coughlin with EM4Fish, and this is EM4Minutes, one of a series of quick conversations with fish tech innovators who are working to improve data streams and evolve fisheries management. I'm here with Justin Kay today with AI.fish based in Hawaii. How you doing, Justin?
I'm great, Scott. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you bet. Good to see you. I think our readers and listeners might have some familiarity with how machine learning and computer vision and so on can potentially serve this field of fisheries management. But why don't I just ask the most basic question, which is, okay, why AI?
Yeah, sure. So as electronic monitoring technologies scale, a big challenge that we face is dealing with this accumulating mountain of video data that requires analysis for management and regulation. And the only way that it becomes workable is by making it more cost effective and efficient. And we think that advanced analytics techniques like machine learning can really help with that, specifically by automatically identifying different parts of fishing or different kinds of fishing activity within that large mountain of video data and identifying fish and using that to improve the efficiency of the video review process and reduce costs.
And I was going to say reduce costs, because that's been a big sticking point in a lot of EM programs in the US and other places as well. So what are you working on now?
So as some of the viewers may be aware, we did a project that was funded by NIFWF in 2020. We wrote an article about it on EM4Fish that you can read, where we really proved out the concept of some of these machine learning techniques for analyzing fisheries video. And we found them to be feasible and effective at reducing the labor required to review the video. And so now, with another NIFWF grant, we're working to really operationalize these machine learning techniques in partnership with the Alaska Fixed Gear Program and Archipelago Marine Research. We're working on building out a large software infrastructure that allows us to apply these machine learning techniques, not just to a small batch of demo video, but really at an operational scale that could be petabytes of video data per year, and do a study with Archipelago on the efficiency gains within that fishery from doing so.
That's great. So that's the Alaska Fixed Gear Program and Archipelago and you guys. Assuming that this kind of works, how can this benefit the rest of the EM4Fish community or people implementing EM programs in other parts of the world?
Yeah, absolutely. So the goal of this project is that we are going to launch it as a commercially available service that anybody with fisheries data can use. We're actually in a closed beta right now with some select customers, including Archipelago. And then the goal is that by the end of this year or early next year, it will be available for public sign up. And there's going to be two different ways that you can access the technology. So either through our web interface where you log in, you can upload data, see the analytics results, download results. And it's also going to be available as a programmatic API for other software developers and EM service providers that want to incorporate the machine learning services into their products or potentially build products on top of it. We give them access through the API to the big, scalable compute infrastructure that we've built out for running these things on large quantities of data.
Nice. So machine learning as a service. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, well, good. Thanks for joining us on this brief EM4Minutes conversation. And where can people learn more about what you're doing?
Yeah, you can check out our website, AI.fish. We've got some information about what we're launching and a sign-up form. And you can always reach out to me, Justin at AI.fish by email. Thanks a lot for having me, Scott. This is really fun.
Yeah, you bet. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.